What's up, guys? PNV model report, LAX model report here. Got some new models here. The way to get models is off eBay. That's what I do. But anyways, they're from Geminijets. 2 more Southwests here. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, here they are. 2 737 MAX 8s. We'll be operating flights out of LAX and also to Hawaii, including Honolulu, Kahului, Maui, back and forth. Alright guys, here they are. Absolutely stunning as always. Make sure it's all good here. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Love the detail in the MAX. Look at that, guys. Honestly, you can order as many of these as you can. Like, get 10, because you want your airport looking good, especially with these Southwest ones, you know. The more you get, the more realistic it's gonna look. I have like 10 special painted ones, and it looks cool, but it doesn't look as realistic. You know, you need more realistic looking, so you gotta get a bunch of the normal ones, you know. I might get a thing so I can spin them around here, guys, but look at that. Let's get this on here too. Very satisfied, guys. Anyways, yeah, like eBay is a good spot because there's always sellers that actually sell them on there that also have websites like, I don't know off the top of my head right now, but there's a bunch. But yeah, for sure, Geminijets and NG Model and stuff, those great planes. Great companies. Phoenix, JC Wings. Can go on, but yeah, guys. There we go. Over 873 Oscar, Quebec. Very detailed models, guys. Highly recommend getting these if you can. I have LAX Airport, so works out for me building it. You know, a lot more to come on LAX Airport as well. Want to do like a, I don't know, I think it's just unique, you know. There's a few LAX airports out there, but, you know, they're all, or LAX model airports on 1/400 scale, but, you know, they're all unique. Mine's unique. Everybody else's is unique as well. Pretty cool, guys. Well, we'll see you guys in the next video here. Have a good night.